We first told you about that bust yesterday here on First at 5.
Federal officers seized 1 ton of marijuana from a Fort Wayne warehouse, but they also had some help from local agencies. News Channel 15's Alyssa Ivinson has new details tonight from Studio 15.
Fort Wayne police officers, as well as officers from the Noble and Steuben County Sheriff's Departments, helped the Drug Enforcement Administration investigate and bust a huge pot shipment. The Steuben County officer was actually the lead investigator, and police say that kind of partnership between agencies can really help take down big drug operations. More than 1 ton of marijuana, 2,160 pounds to be exact, now off the streets. And this man, 50-year-old Martin Gonzalez Medina, behind bars.
It's a tremendous win for law enforcement from the federal level down to the local level.
Noble County Sheriff Doug Harp says one of his deputies just joined the DEA task force in Fort Wayne a few weeks ago.
And change our focus somewhat more towards longer, lengthier, bigger narcotics investigations that basically more bang for our buck, so to speak.
Harp says changes in state law will make sentences for some drug charges shorter. So while they will still investigate smaller drug deals, bigger cases will be getting more attention.
So it just makes sense if you can cut the head off the dragon that you're going to have much more impact.
A Steuben County Sheriff's Department officer was the lead investigator with the DEA to bring down Gonzalez Medina. Court documents say he arranged the shipment of a ton of marijuana from Mexico to a warehouse on Industrial Road off Washington Center Road in Fort Wayne. The pot was wrapped in 97 bundles and hidden inside 12 deep freezers. If the shipment wasn't seized, Harp says it wouldn't have taken long for the drugs to make their way to surrounding counties.
But typically they're trying to move that as quick as possible and get it out to the regional folks, I guess, if you want to call them that, the regional dealers.
Harp says having federal agents working with local officers can make a big difference in the fight against drugs.
If you have a federal agent calling a local and they don't know each other, sometimes you don't get that good sharing of information. So to have somebody working there side by side every day, I think, is very, very important.
Gonzalez Medina is now charged with possession with intent to distribute marijuana. In Studio 15, Alyssa Ivinson, News Channel 15.